Alright, so this is the project. We are recording how salt dissolves in different liquids. So, for our introduction, let's go for it. How fast does salt dissolve in different solutions? Water being the universal solvent, is there any other solution or liquid that dissolves faster at room temperature? This experiment will find out what variable other than temperature can change the speed in which salt or other minerals dissolve. What we will need is valence, 500 milliliter beakers, thermometer, 50 milligrams of salt, 40 milliliters of apple juice, 40 milliliters of vinegar, bleach, rubbing alcohol, water, weighing boat, timer, and 5 stirs. Stirs. This is a stir. Alright, you see it? Alright, cool. Go back. Alright. This is our procedure. Okay. Our procedure is
set 6 beakers on the table. Fill each beaker with the same amount of each liquid, 40 milliliters, to the 40 millimeter line in each beaker. Place a thermometer in each liquid to check that each liquid is around room temperature, 70 degrees. Do not begin experiment until all liquids are around room temperature, 70 degrees. Once the liquids are all around the room temperature, begin to weigh the salt for each beaker. Place the weighing boat on the scale and zero the balance. Once zeroed, weigh 10 grams of salt on the balance for each liquid. Check the time. Put 10 grams of salt into all the respective liquids at the same time. Record the time. Do not stir. If one must stir each liquid 3 times, then stop to keep the experiment consistent.
oh, what a sad time. What a sad time. Alright. A.
Stir each liquid 3 times, then stop to keep the experiment consistent. But try not to stir or shake the solution. Write each solution on the balance and record the starting time, or you can choose to record every individual aspect such as the weight of the beaker, salt, and liquid, and add them together. Place each solution in a spot where there will be no changes in temperature such as heat, fans, breezes, or air conditioning. Record start time. Begin observation. Leave solutions for 3 days, then record weight of the solutions.
We'll need vinegar, apple juice, bleach, water, and rubbing alcohol as our solvents. So this will be our data. This is the key so you know exactly how our data was recorded. First will be the solvent, our starting weight, our stopping weight, and a difference after being dissolved. Apple juice started at 98 grams, 93 grams. The difference there is 4.8. So 4.8 was dissolved. 4.8 grams of salt was dissolved into the water, and so on and so forth. So, as you can see, rubbing alcohol dissolved 14 grams, which is more than all of the other solutions. Our error that we felt was experimental error was that so much movement from the beakers shook up the solutions and the liquids themselves and could have affected the weights as the liquids evaporated over time. So, our presentation. Grazie.